Home Minister Govindas has asserted that more arrests are expected within the next 2 days in connection with the abduction and killing of 6 Naga civilians. Speaking to reporters on the sidelines of a program at the News Secretariat in Manipur, Home Minister Govindas said the ongoing operation aims to apprehend every person allegedly involved in the killings. He added that 2 arrests have been made so far and more arrests will be made soon. He said hopefully within 2 days, security agency will make more arrests. Responding to questions about the recent violence at Kanto Sabul, where abandoned houses were set ablaze despite the area's proximity to the Leilon military station and the presence of security personnel, Govindas described the incident as unfortunate and condemned the violence. He said there was heavy security deployment in the area, but somewhere something has gone wrong. The Home Minister also maintained that police had detained 20 people on the day of incident, although only 3 remain in custody. Addressing concerns over how the violence occurred close to a military installation, Kontojam said security forces had been instructed to maintain constant vigilance. Personnel from the Manipur Police, the Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF and other security agencies have already been deployed in the area, with additional forces set to be stationed to strengthen security.
We highly condemn, and there was also a lot of security deployment, but somewhere it has gone wrong. So we have already arrested 20 persons on the same day. Out of those 20 persons, 3 have been detained and all others were released. And we are trying to arrest more culprits. So the action will follow. No?
The incident place is pretty close to the military station.
So there is a lot of questions on it. No? So we have already asked them to always keep alert, and we have seen in the social media what was going on that very unfortunate day, and we are going to deploy more security forces over there.
So any more further areas from Leilon and Vaiphei regarding the killing of these 6 Naga houses?
We have already arrested 2 culprits, and the more are being arrested very soon. The operation to nab all those culprits is continuing. Hopefully within 2 days we'll be getting more arrests of those culprits. Thank you.
Thank you.